how to pressure cook the rice easily and quickly for making Chinese fried rice. To make fried rice, here I have taken half kg of regular rice and measured the rice with the help of a cup. The measurement of rice is 3 cups and the measurement of water of the same cup is 4.5 cup. You can increase or decrease the quantity of rice. The ratio here of rice is 1 cup and the water is 1.5 cup of the same cup. First, washing the rice thoroughly, and then I am taking a pressure cooker and put all the rice and water together with some salt and some vegetable oil. Now I am giving a quick start and then cover the lid of the pressure cooker and place the pressure cooker on gas oven, and now I am switching on the flame and turning the flame on high. When the rice is cooked 80%, switch off the flame and I am waiting until the vapor of the cooker will be released normally. Now I am opening the lid of the pressure cooker. Then I am taking a big plate and spread the whole rice from the cooker to the plate. After spreading the rice on the plate, I am putting the plate under the fan, placing naturally on normal temperature to stop the cooking process of the rice. For 5 minutes